All right, just more updates. This one is this is the right upper torso. This piece is done for my 45-inch to 46-inch Metroplex. Only thing left actually to do is actually pull out to build the missile turret, where that's going to be black. It's going to fit up here. This goes on top of it, so it just glues right on top of it. And this actually rotates. So you can see it'll flip out the missile pod. That actually rotates. Of course, I got the city part pulled up. Ratchet joint in the shoulder. Here are the towers. The guns do fold out and they extend. And this collapse in here. So let's give a demonstration. All right, so getting ready to fold it down, which this ridge holds this here and it goes in there. Also, there's a panel, if you can see right in there, that panel right there, it actually folds over, and to close this off so you won't be able to see in there. So real quick, let me bring that panel here, and it fits right there. Close that in, and then we put it back. Now back to collapsing this. So pretty much all I do is lay it down. You can see it's held by tabs there. I lay it down, make sure the door is here closed, push it in. I hope I got that. So I just basically push it in, collapse that in here, collapse that down, and there it is. And once the missile pod is put on here, we rotate that back. Not too far, and it'll actually sit up there like that. Y'all be blessed.